Today, I'll be walking you through my personal experience with WellCare Health Plans, an insurance provider that focuses on Medicare Advantage, Medicaid, and prescription drug coverage. The first thing you'll notice when navigating their website is how they structure their offerings. At the top, the main menu gives quick access to Medicare Advantage plans, Part D prescription coverage, and Medicaid options, which makes it clear who their target users are. When I explored the Medicare Advantage section, I found that WellCare promotes competitive benefits such as dental, vision, and hearing. But in practice, the availability really depends on your state and region. Some areas offer a solid range of providers, while others are surprisingly limited. This is important because you might sign up expecting broad access, only to find that your local doctor or specialist isn't in their network. The Medicaid section is also prominently displayed, and it's designed to help low-income families and individuals find plans that match eligibility requirements. The site makes it relatively easy to check if you qualify by entering your state, but in my testing, the follow-up information sometimes felt incomplete. Instead of giving all plan details online, the site often directs you to call for more information, which can be inconvenient if you just want quick transparency. Another key area of WellCare's website is the Part D prescription drug plan section. They highlight affordable copays and pharmacy partnerships, but when I reviewed the formulary and coverage tiers, I noticed that certain medications are either higher in cost than competitors or not included at all. If prescription coverage is one of your main priorities, you'll want to carefully review their formulary before enrolling. The site itself is functional, but not as user-friendly as some of its competitors. Some pages load slowly, and the search tool for finding doctors or pharmacies occasionally returns incomplete or confusing results. However, the account portal for existing members is straightforward once you're logged in, allowing you to view benefits, order ID cards, and track claims. Many useful links you can find in the description. One of the areas that stood out positively is WellCare's effort to provide educational resources. Their Learning Center offers articles and guides about Medicare enrollment, preventive care, and understanding different plan types. While the content isn't groundbreaking, it's helpful for new users who are unfamiliar with the complexities of Medicare and Medicaid. On the other hand, customer service feedback is mixed. Some users report long wait times on the phone and difficulty resolving issues, while others have had smooth experiences. Personally, my interaction with their customer support was average. It took a while to get connected to a representative, but once I did, the answers were clear and helpful. From a cost perspective, WellCare does position itself as an affordable option, especially for Medicare Advantage plans. Their premiums are often lower than major competitors, and they emphasize added benefits like gym memberships or transportation assistance. However, the trade-off is that you may face narrower provider networks and limitations in coverage flexibility. Overall, WellCare Health Plans can be a good choice for individuals seeking lower-cost Medicare Advantage or Medicaid coverage, but it's not without drawbacks. The limitations in provider networks, variability in prescription drug coverage, and occasional usability issues on the site are things you should keep in mind before making a decision. If you're considering WellCare, I recommend comparing their plans side by side with at least one or two other providers in your area. That way, you'll see clearly whether the trade-offs are worth it for your personal situation. Thank you for watching this honest review of WellCare Health Plans. If this video helped you understand the pros and cons of their services, please support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. It helps me continue creating reviews that give you real user insights.